to all. My name is Saliha. Today, I'm gonna tell a story about Flo. A grey cat wanders through the forest searching for food. It steals fish but chased by other dogs. Animals run. Deer stampede. The forest feels uneasy. Something is coming. A massive flood covers the land. The cat and some animals survive by finding a higher ground. The cat and a yellow dog reach a strange cabin with a cat statues. Water kept rising, forcing them to act. The cat boat and sleigh boat with a capybara. Together with other animals, they drift into a drowned world. Along the journey, they met a lemur and a secretary bird. The group begins to depend on each other. The cat falls overboard but saved by a giant bear. They face storms, predators, and hunger. The animals learn to share, protect one another, and survive as a community. In silence, Flo shows power of together. Survive through unity, adapting to changing world. Don't forget to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel in Saliha.